So this video is about the liquids rule, and it's also about some other things that I feel that are essential that I took with me on the trip. So the liquids rule, it refers to Heathrow Airport's rules about liquids, which are that you can, if you're taking carry-on luggage, it's the bag, a clear bag like this, obviously, with a total capacity of 1 litre, and that each of the items that make up the bag that you take in the bag total 1 litre in capacity, but they can be split up into any sort of weight denomination in order to make up that 1 litre. So and that the bag needs to be sealed. So this bag is, well, it's got it's not very it's got no sort of depth of width to it here, so you are limited to what you can take. Yeah, so it's just one of these slimline sort of toiletry bags. And so, for instance, this has a capacity of 80 mils, and this is 50, and this is 100. And so these are just a few of the things I took. And liquids includes things like paste, like toothpaste. So you've got to be careful of that. Anything that's solid, completely solid, like a bar of soap, can be taken separately in your suitcase. But this has to be presented to security, and they have to check the contents to make sure there's nothing that could be a security risk. So I carried this in my personal bag, which was going to go in my seat so that I could find it easily and give it to them and they could scan it. There's a separate video about the baggage, the security, that sort of thing. So yeah, I took these items. I took my toothpaste. I included slimline things like this, slim sort of, width tubes, so that I could fit more in. I had little pots that had cream in, and so I managed to fill this pretty full up. So you just have to sort of, you have to juggle what is important to you, what to take, but you can actually fit enough in here to take with you. And I included, as I said, my toothpaste, little tiny tubes of eye cream, and a little bit of Vaseline and that sort of thing. So that's the liquids. A couple of other things I took essential. I took a travel adapter plug. I got this one from, it's a Go product. I'm not affiliated to anyone that I mention on my videos. And worldwide Euro. I was going to Switzerland, so this was absolutely fine. As you can see, obviously, these sockets here for multiple plug ways, ways to 2-pin, 3-pin, whatever, and very handily 2 standard USB ports. So I really found this useful. I'm really glad I got this. I actually got this at Heathrow Airport. So I wasn't sure. I was staying at an Airbnb and I wasn't sure, exactly what would be available there. So I'm glad I took it. Another thing that I highly recommend taking is a power bank. Essential item. Your mobile phone runs out of battery. What are you going to do when you're on the move? So absolutely essential. And you want one. This is a fairly heavy one, which means that it has high capacity. So for instance, this will power up a tablet as well as my phone. And this one, I can see the charge. There's a button here. I can see how much charge is left. This is fully charged. I got this quite a while ago, so I got this from Amazon. I can't really give any guidance on which one to get. I wish I could see exactly what this says. I think this says OMARS, OMARS, but yeah, there's plenty. I don't know what's available now. There's plenty, but this is a must-have. And this one I have has got standard USB here and here, and a USB-C, one USB-C and another port here, which I don't know what that one is called, but some things come with this kind of cable that's not USB-C, so it covers everything. It's really, really good, and you must have a power bank with you, otherwise you're going to be stuffed. Yeah, actual fact, if I'd had my way, I would have taken 2 mobile phones with me in case one of my mobile phones died, but I didn't have that. Anyway, yeah, so that's that.